The following instructions are for the collaborative workstations. This video is based off of the reflective style workstation. Before beginning, make sure you have the tools required for this assembly. Start by placing the base cabinet on its side. Align the caster with the pre-drilled holes. Use the joint connector bolts to attach the casters. Note: each workstation varies depending on which one that you purchased. Then, use the screw gun with a 4mm hex bit to fully tighten down the bolts. Do this for all 4 casters. Now, place the cabinet right side up. The wire pull handles come factory installed on the inside of the doors. Unscrew each handle with a Phillips bit and a screw gun. Attach the handles that you just unscrewed from the inside of the cabinet to the outside of the cabinet doors. Now, place the tabletop on the cabinet and align it with the pre-drilled holes. Using the 20 by 35mm joint connector bolts, insert them through the pre-drilled holes on the inside of the cabinet. Use a screw gun and a 4mm hex bit to fully tighten them down. After the first bolt, insert the next bolt opposite the side that you first inserted. Your collaborative workstation is now complete. If you have any questions, please call our customer service today.